Chase Bank integrates Zelle as its primary peer-to-peer payment service, allowing you to send money quickly and securely through the Chase mobile app and online banking platform. Zelle recipients are essentially contacts saved in your Zelle profile that enable quick money transfers. These recipients are linked to either email addresses or U.S. mobile phone numbers, and each person must be enrolled with Zelle through their own bank or the Zelle app. It's important to understand that these recipients are stored locally in your Chase account, not in a universal Zelle database. This means managing your recipient list is specific to your Chase banking experience. You can access and manage your Zelle recipients through the Chase mobile app's Pay and Transfer section, which provides a user-friendly interface for all your payment needs. Regularly managing your Zelle recipients is crucial for maintaining your financial security. By keeping your recipient list up to date, you minimize the risk of sending money to the wrong person and ensure you're only transferring funds to intended individuals. Beyond security, proper recipient management also improves your banking efficiency. A clean, organized contact list makes it faster and easier to find the people you regularly send money to, streamlining your payment experience. Financial security experts recommend treating your Zelle recipient list like other sensitive financial information. Regular quarterly reviews and immediate removal of unnecessary contacts are considered best practices for maintaining optimal security. Now that you understand what Zelle recipients are and why managing them is important for your financial security, you're ready to learn the specific steps for removing recipients from your Chase account. There are two primary methods for deleting Zelle recipients from your Chase account. Let's start with the Chase mobile app method, which is the most commonly used approach. First, open your Chase mobile app and log in securely using your credentials or biometric authentication. From the main menu, locate and tap on Pay and Transfer. This will open the payment options screen where you can access various transfer services. Look for the Zelle option among the payment services and tap on it. Zelle is Chase's integrated peer-to-peer payment service. Select Send Money from the Zelle menu. This will display your saved recipient list where you can manage your contacts. Find the specific recipient you want to delete from your list and tap on their name to open their profile details. Look for an Edit button or a three-dot menu icon. The exact appearance may vary depending on your app version, but both will give you access to recipient management options. From the menu options, select Delete Recipient or Remove. This will initiate the deletion process for the selected contact. The app will ask you to confirm the deletion. Tap Confirm or Yes to permanently remove the recipient from your saved list. The second method involves using Chase online banking through your web browser. This method offers similar functionality with a desktop-friendly interface. Start by logging into your Chase account at chase.com using your secure credentials. Then navigate to the Pay and Transfer tab and select Zelle from the drop-down menu options. Look for Manage Recipients option to access your saved contacts. Find the recipient you want to remove, then click the Delete or Remove button next to their name. Finally, confirm the action in the pop-up dialog that appears. Remember to keep your Chase mobile app updated to ensure you have access to the latest features and the most streamlined recipient management experience.